Namaste to all dear warriors and students. Here I am with a new video relating to important questions of theory and practices of GST relating to 6th semester. Aspirants in the quest of knowledge is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed. The thing which I want to tell at the beginning of this video is you are in 6th sem, right? Just before your winning line. So put your extra efforts 100% or more than 100% so that you can cross this line and finish your graduation. So my best wishes to you all. And if we do, very important thing I am going to tell, if we learn one or two extra questions, nothing going to lose. एक दो क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा पढ़ के गए तो कुछ ప్రాబ్లం नहीं है. ఏమన్నా ఒకటి రెండు ఎక్స్ట్రా క్వశ్చన్స్ మనం చదివినాం అనుకో పోయేదేం లేదు కదా, రైట్? సో లర్న్ 2 or 3 extra questions, no problem with that, okay? Because sometimes they will give little tricky questions, so which I kept under C category, as we always do A, B, C analysis for important questions. So let us see the questions relating to Unit 1. Unit 1 Introduction. Short questions. What is GST? Sometimes directly this simple question will you will ask. What is credit note? What is debit note? And what is GST? Bill of supply, dual GST. These are very important questions, okay? What is GST council? Input tax credit, tax invoice, value of supply of goods and services, e-way bill. These also will come. See, from first unit and last unit sometimes 2 questions will be asked out of 8 questions. Each unit one question, extra 3 questions may be asked from first unit and last unit. So don't neglect the answers of short questions from these units. Next we are having long questions. Category A. Category A long questions. बैक बेंचर्स रहते यहाँ पे मेरे पास ऑनलाइन वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करते वक्त ये ट्रेंड्स सताते रहते. सो चले गए एंड यू नो दिस इज द थर्ड टाइम आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग GST वीडियो. फर्स्ट टाइम length has become more, so I thought of reducing it. Next time I have recorded, some technical issue was there, voice is not coming. Now let us see, this time it will be good one and end easily. Registration under GST. Procedure for registration under GST. Cancellation of and revocation of cancellation of registration. Registration is one of the important topic under GST that will come one question from registration. And Indian GST model, this is also one more question will be there, evaluation of GST. So go through that one also once. Next, B category questions. How do you determine place of supply and time of supply under GST? This question will be asked even in the 4th unit again, so learn this one better. What do you mean by GST returns? Explain the various types of GST returns. एक बॉक्स रहेगा GST रिटर्न से रिलेटेड, ओके? क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 and these reference question numbers are from SIA book. Please refer the SIA book for GST. That is the best one out of the available, I feel it. Next, getting started with GST goods. This is second one unit. In this unit we are having short questions. Define GST rates at stock group level and stock item level, and defining GST rates at master level and transaction level. Please learn this one, repeatedly asked. Interstate outward supply. What do you mean by intrastate supply of goods? What is inward supply? Outward and inward supply and intrastate supply of goods. Okay, how GST is started in ERP, Tally ERP. Next, these are short questions and long questions, so don't leave these questions, must learn है. And once you write these answers before going, explain about getting started with GST, various steps involved in GST. Very important question, most number of time repeated question. How you will enable, go to gateway of Tally. Okay, press F11 फंक्शन की, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर भी 11 है. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इंट्रास्टेट आउटवर्ड सप्लाई ऑफ गुड्स, गिव विथ एन एग्जांपल. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इंटरस्टेट supply of goods, discuss the inward and outward supply with an example. What do you mean by interstate outward supply of goods, give an example. These are the questions which will be asked repeatedly, so don't leave all these questions, learn these questions, one will be there in the exam. So see, I will tell one more thing. In case of intrastate, intra, CGST, SGST will be levied. Okay, if it is purchases, input, if it is sales, output. Inward बोले तो input, outward बोले तो output. For intrastate, these two will come, right? Next, if you see, next it will be interstate. Here inter means in between, so IGST will come, right? And here also, if it is inward, input, for outward, output, GST, IGST we need to take. That's it, simple. Let us see, sometimes calculation of tax liability questions will be asked. Mr. Vardhan, registered dealer, question number 17. Miss रंजिता, रजिस्टर्ड डीलर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे, स्टेप्स पूरे लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ता, आसान से आंसर हो जाएगा. ये बी कैटेगरी का है, कभी कभी पूछ लेते. एंड इन दिस यूनिट वी आर हैविंग सी कैटेगरी. गो थ्रू वंस. व्हाट इज रिटर्न ऑफ गुड्स, व्हाट आर द वेरियस स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व इन एक्टिवेटिंग डेबिट नोट एंड क्रेडिट नोट, and what is mean by sales return, explain the process of recording sales return in Tally ERP9. This again will come in the other units. Here it is relating to goods, there it will be relating to services. Write about the hierarchy of applying tax rate details. Okay, master level, transaction level, ledger level, ledger group level, stock item level, stock group level, those all whatever are there, that answer this one. And even this will be asked in short also. What is GST report, how GSTR1 report is generated. Expect the unexpected one, C category से एक आएगा पढ़ के जाना. Then unit 3, advanced recording transactions and adjustments. Sets the sales, very important one. Exports and imports, composite supply and mixed supply, one question will be there. GST portal, timeline for payment of taxes, e-ledgers, okay, e-cash ledger, okay, e-credit ledger, all those are there in 5th unit. You need to do. Difference between mixed supply and composite supply, one of the important questions, don't leave this one. Next, here A category questions relating to this unit will be what are the records and accounts to be maintained by a person, registered person, okay, under GST. Define composite dealer, explain its features, explain recording of purchases from composite dealer. Very important question, this time I am expecting. Okay, this was asked recently as a short question, but for you it will be asked in the long. What is mixed supply and composite supply, this also will come in the exam. Okay, ये दोनों में से एक आएगा. Then discuss the applicability of GST for advance receipts and payments. Sometimes this advance receipts question will come in the same month. Define unregistered dealer. Explain recording of purchases from unregistered dealer. This has been recently one time chance students के लिए यही क्वेश्चन पूछे थे. Okay. What write the timeline and mode of payment of GST in. Okay. ये 3 क्वेश्चन बी कैटेगरी के वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज सेस सेल. एक्सप्लेन द अकाउंटिंग ऑफ सेस सेल्स विथ एन एग्जांपल. दिस आल्सो रिसेंटली आपके वन टाइम चांस स्टूडेंट्स को पूछे हैं. व्हाट इज GSTR1 GSTR2 रिपोर्ट्स अपलोडिंग इन GST पोर्टल. प्लीज लर्न दीज क्वेश्चंस, डोंट लीव एनीवन. देन यूनिट 4 गेटिंग started with GST services. Define service. What is place of supply of service, and write about cancellation of services. Explain about supply of services. These are very important questions from this unit, short questions. Next, long questions. In long questions, what do you mean by service? Explain briefly about determination of supply of service and place of supply of service. Similar question you find in the previous unit for the goods. Okay, how do you determine supply of goods and supply of services in GST? This is being defined as per schedule 2. Whether it is supply of goods है या supply of service है बताएगा. This question may be asked in unit 2 also. What is intrastate supply of service? Explain intrastate, inward supply and outward supply of service. What do you mean by intrastate outward supply of services with an example? ये वाले 4 क्वेश्चन अच्छी तरह करके जाओ. Don't leave these questions. Then B category. What is input tax credit? How it is availed and transferred. उतना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, एक बार देख के जाओ. एक्सप्लेन द प्रोसीजर फॉर कैंसलेशन ऑफ इनवर्ड एंड आउटवर्ड सप्लाई ऑफ सर्विसेज. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस वन मे बी आस्क्ड. देन फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग डिटेल्स पास ट्रांजैक्शंस ऑफ पार्शियल कैंसलेशन ऑफ सर्विसेज इनवर्ड सप्लाई एंड प्रोवाइड द रिक्वायर्ड ट्रांजैक्शन फॉर कैंसलेशन ऑफ इंट्रास्टेट outward supply of services. These are the 2 C category questions which might be asked in the exam. So don't leave these questions. Please learn these questions. Next, unit 5. Unit 5 recording advance entries and migration to ERP. What is partial payments made to supplier and outward supply of service. Discuss briefly various components of supply of time of supply. GST duty registers, reverse charge services, input tax credit. These all are very important. 5th unit 2 क्वेश्चन आते कभी कभी. आप लोग पूरा वीडियो एंड तक देखिए ताकि इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स जो भी है बता रहे वो वैसा कर दिए तो हो जाता. सम ऑफ यू आर जस्ट थिंकिंग दैट ये क्या देखेंगे पूरा वीडियो बोल के, वैसा नहीं, देखे तो समझ में आता. सो सी लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस. हाउ डू यू अकाउंट फॉर मल्टीपल सर्विसेज इन सिंगल सप्लाई, पार्शियल पेमेंट टू सप्लायर. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन. ओके, राइट ए नोट ऑन ट्रांजैक्शंस ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग पार्शियल पेमेंट मेड टू सप्लायर विथ एन एग्जांपल. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन. राइट ए नोट ऑन आउटवर्ड सप्लाई ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग एंड outward supply of services with additional expenses. What do you mean by time of supply of service? What are the components? Explain with an illustration. Explain the concept of advance receipts from the customer. This is also very important question. So ये पूरे करके जाइए, that would be better for you. Next, B category. Explain the concept of generating GSTR1. Explain the concept of generating GSTR2 report. Write input tax credit set off. These are very important questions. So ये पूरे करके चाहिए. And last but not least, prepare the best to perform better than the best. This is the thing I follow and I suggest you to do the same thing. If you not subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel. वीडियो पूरा आपको यूज़फुल होगा. होप इट विल बी बेटर रिजल्ट फॉर यू इन 6th सेमेस्टर. लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सबको पहुंचा दो. ओके, इफ़ यू लाइक द वीडियो इट विल सजेस्ट द यूट्यूब विल सजेस्ट टू द अदर्स. दैट इज़ वाई आई एम आस्किंग. एंड सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. सीखते रहो जीतने के लिए. जय हिंद.